Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get wallpapers and notification sounds. Yeah, so what you're gonna want to do, this works on iOS and Android. You want to go to the Play Store or your App Store. Then you're gonna want to search up Zedge, this one, Zedge. And I already have it installed, so when you have it installed, you're going to open it. Now here, you could go to wallpapers. You have a bunch of wallpapers. You can search up any wallpapers. Ringtones. You have a lot of ringtones too.
She say, do you love me? It's your...
You have a bunch of ringtones. You have notification sounds. Like, if you're an Android user like me, you could get this one. It's an iPhone ding. Bunch. To me, I don't really like the long ones. Like the long sounds. Then there are icons too. You could change the way that you see things on your phone. So right here you could pick any and it'll change your icon style. For widgets, this is just like, and when you open your screen and stuff, but I already have the wallpaper. They're games and keyboards. There are not that many keyboards since they haven't made a lot. Wait, I'll show you. Never mind. And you could upload your content, save, settings, help information. Yeah. And I haven't been posting a lot because in the last 2 or 3 days or past week, I don't even remember, because I've been sick this whole week. And yeah, so you can also search like logos. I could go to logos. See, like that. I could I'll show you how to put one. I'll get this one. Okay, so you're gonna put it for like wallpaper. Now if you go to the home, there's your wallpaper. And there's your wallpaper. I hope you liked this video, and bye.